Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the human position estimation demo in the Openvino. So what this demo actually does is it estimates the positions of a human body, a human skeleton body. So for example, where the head is, where the shoulders are, and where the hands are, and where the foot legs are. And if you keep on moving in the video or in the live camera feed, it will keep on drawing lines across all these points, and it will keep on showing you in the video. So basically for this particular video you need the model human position estimated, which I've obviously downloaded from the Intel model downloader, and these are the two model files which you need. Let me just copy this file into our release directory. Along with this, the test video file which I'm using for this particular demo is this one. So basically in this video, a person comes in and will use this particular video to check how the model file detects the position of the human body in this video. So let me also copy this particular video file and paste it in the release directory. Perfect. I've already I'm already inside the release directory, and I've also initialized the OpenVINO environment. So let's just simply run the human position estimation along with the -s to check what commands it accepts. So from here I can see -i for a video file or camera if you want to work with the camera, and -m for the model file. So let's start with this -m, and let me copy the name of the model file. Okay, so we have our video, we have the model file, and let's run this demo. Perfect. So it has started, and we'll see. So the person is coming, and we can see that this particular model has detected the positions in the human body. So the shoulders, the legs, hands, and even the eyes and the ears, it has also detected. It has also connected all those points with the line, and you can see that it's working perfectly fine for us. So this is how you can run a human position estimation. You can customize it for your needs uh, by going into its source files. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.